Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be installing these solid transmission mounts by Sideways Fab in the FRS today, seeing how it responds, how it sounds different, so on and so forth. So this is a brief look at their website here, if you can see it. So it's just, it'll focus, sidewaysfab.com. There we go, there's a picture of them. Got them right there. So it looks pretty similar to the pictures. I don't know how much of this, guys, you can see, but it says basically this mount will give you a solid shifter, feel without too much extra vibration. You see from solid engine mounts, can be used on anything from stock to solid engine mounts, and will increase power transfer to rear wheels. So kind of what it says there on their website. So we'll see. And then I got another link here for you guys. This is basically on the ft86club.com. This is a whole installation guide on how to do it, and he does a review too. Tells you all the tools you need, installation time, stuff like that. So this guy's saying that it's supposed to take around 40 minutes. So see what times it takes basically. But I'll try to link this in the video, because this is not going to be really an installation guide, but more or less how they work and stuff like that. So, but this guide right here should walk you through it step by step. So that was underneath my car there. I didn't mean to kill him, guys, but I was trying to scoot him out underneath the car and accidentally hit him. So unfortunately, he has perished. Alright, I got the transmission mounts here and the actual mounting bracket. It doesn't come with instructions like how they go, but based off of the picture here, you can see on this one, no, I think it's that one, yeah. The bolt is closest to the center. So these guys, the bolt's offset, so it's either on the left or right side. And based off that picture, both the bolts are gonna be inset here if the bracket's sitting like that. So that just helps you guys when you're installing. Alright guys, so I got the installation all done. Probably took about like an hour and a half or so, just because I was taking time to make sure I was doing it all right. But this is what the old transition mount looks like here. So I don't know if you can see, but it definitely has a lot of play in there. So yeah, this new one is completely solid, so it's gonna take, well, it takes everything out. But I'm gonna show you here. I was able to do it without taking the exhaust pipe off. I just took those brackets, or those two bolts there, took it, swung it down. I was able to shimmy it over so I could get all the bolts in there. But yeah, that's what it looks like there. You got those two bolts holding the actual brackets on, or the mounts I should say. Well, those two holding it on there. You got two back there holding it on. You got two here and two on the other side. These on this side are hard. You just gotta push the exhaust pipe over and you're able to reach an extension and a socket up in there and loosen them up, tighten them up. But besides that, you gotta take the skid plate off here a little bit. Not take it off all the way, but yeah, besides that, install was good. Like I said, pretty simple. So I'm gonna go get cleaned up and take it for a test drive and show you guys what it sounds like, and if I can tell a difference or not. Alrighty guys, we're in the car, we're in fresh clothes, so I don't get it all dirty, and we're gonna do start up here, see if I got any exhaust leaks, let it warm up, and see how different it sounds. And we got an exhaust leak. Okay, so never mind. I don't think I have an exhaust leak. It's just the vibration is insane. Jeez. Yeah, you can, I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't think anything's loose, just the startup is also really, really rough. So I thought it was an exhaust leak or something, but hopefully it'll balance out. Yeah, I can literally feel my transmission right here. I can feel it vibrating. So, I don't know, it just sounds like it's running rough. It might just be the bracket. Everything's tight, so I'm just gonna, I guess, take it for a test drive and see. Start off with, yeah, there's a ton of vibration in the drivetrain here. You can feel this whole thing just vibrate, and then the, I don't know if you can hear that, but the actual shifter is, yeah, there you go. Super, a lot more clunky, but it feels a lot more solid now too at the same time. But yeah, you can hear it. You can actually hear the transmission engage and disengage with the clutch now. You can feel it every single time it engages and disengages. Definitely something to get used to. Yeah, that's there's definitely some noticeable difference in sound. So there's AM Bush Drift. He made a video on this, but he has a full gutted interior. I have a full interior, and that's how it sounds. Yeah, it's definitely a lot more aggressive. And I don't know, for me at least, at first I thought I broke something. Yeah, that is totally different. You can feel and hear everything that the transmission's doing, like if it's lugging or every time you're engaging it, disengaging it, so on and so forth. You can feel everything and hear everything, which is kind of like I'm still getting used to. It's loud inside here now. But let's see how it hooks though. We're gonna let this guy go. This slow guy. That's the main reason we're doing this, right? So let's see. So I don't know how well that was picked up on camera, but yeah. It rips. Definitely has that whine to it. There's a cot back there. Wouldn't be a good place to rip it. First little pull here, see how it does from a dig. And that's that. At the higher RPM, you can definitely hear it whine. And on top of that, another big thing that this mount's supposed to do is eliminate wheel hop. And on that pull at all, with cold tires and all that still, the wheel hop wasn't really there at all. Like the only reason I was really breaking traction was just because of cold tires, and these aren't the stickiest tires in the world either. But yeah, I mean, the wheel hop though, the unsteadiness of you not being able to stay on the road, that was completely gone. And I want to say it's because of the transmission mount, because it's always there when especially when going from a dig. But yeah, that pull it felt like I was more sturdy on the road, definitely. Yeah guys, so all in all, it's a great mod. Definitely a lot more cabin noise on the inside. I don't know if I'll do it for a daily driver. It is my daily driver, but I put up with maybe more than most people would. But you can also get just stiffer polymer, or I guess the poly, the plastic brackets. You just get stiffer ones. So I'd imagine they would be more cabin noise, but less than the complete solid. So you'd probably be splitting the performance and noise half-half compared to the solid ones, basically. But yeah, all in all, a great mod. I definitely felt power. I want to say power transfer increase, less wheel hop. Definitely whines like a supercharger, like crazy. Makes it sound like a race car. But there's the clunkiness noise you have with your transmission, which just sounds like it's gonna break. I'm sure it's not bad at all. You know, your normal brackets would just absorb that, and you're just hearing it now because they're solid. But it freaks you out the first time, definitely. But yeah, something to pick up. Like I said, I picked these up from Sideways Fab. I'll try to leave a link in the bio where you guys can get them at, and I'll try to leave a link for the form that's basically a step-by-step on all the tools you need. So awesome, thanks for watching.